What's up, guys? Opalopolis here, and this is the final level on. I think this series of this section of levels is called Metropolis, and we're getting all prize bubbles. Let's do it. This section of levels, in my opinion, are the funnest, but the last level is the hardest, which is this level. It's not really hard, it's just the boss is a little aggravating at times because you can't really aim properly. If you watch this whole video, you'll know what I'm talking about. These little, I guess they're called pillars or something. If you're playing with more than one person, it's best if you do them one at a time. I learned this from the Variety Gamer whenever he did his series of Little Big Planet videos. He said that as a tip. I do think so. Yeah, I learned that from him. Up here is a little section that a lot of people miss because it's so like off course, I guess. Okay, I guess that's the last one on that one. I'm just gonna take it slow really on this one. I'm not too worried about doing a speed playthrough on this level, mainly just because there's so many bubbles. And is that all of them? Was that it? There we go. Alright. That'll give you 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll give you 7 bubbles. If I remember correctly, they're actually pretty cool bubbles. Oh. I can do it. No, I can't. What the? Oh, that's gay. Okay. Now that I'm unstuck, that was weird. There's you a nice little glitch spot. You have to use this enemy to get up there. You have to do that a lot on this level. You also have to fall down a lot. I'm gonna kill myself to speed it up. If I remember correctly, you have to do it about 2 or 3 times. That's my least favorite thing to do on this game, is use enemies to get bubbles. But you know, if you want all prize bubbles and you want the trophy, I guess you'll do what you gotta do. I kind of brought back. Oh, I'm dead. I kind of brought back comment question of the day. Comment. Jesus, I cannot talk today. I kind of brought back the question of the day, but I don't really know how many of you guys like it. So, question of the day is, do you like the question of the day? If you do not like the question of the day, leave a comment in the gutter. There's a bubble. Come on, fix screen. There's a bubble. Jump back and run across, and you'll pick that up. This enemy is not an enemy that you have to use to get the bubbles. That was just an enemy. Ah, come on. If you can't really tell, that's you can sort of tell how that would be annoying with more than one person. And this is the 2-player portion. Alright, so I got 2 people in here. I'm trying to remember what I have to do on this portion. I'm gonna put one guy in there. Bring the other guy onto this elevator. And bring him across. Once he is across, I'm gonna grab that prize bubble and bring this block onto this. And hopefully it won't fall off. I think it's made of rubber, so it shouldn't have much movement. But yeah, that was a really easy 2-player portion. Alright, now that I got rid of that person, I can now keep jumping inside of that and jump up here, grab these prize bubbles, swing over, grab that prize bubble. Hopefully I can fail. That's always good. You gotta fail at least once in every video. This is another portion where you have to use the enemy to jump up and grab that. Right here is a little bit complicated, but it's not too bad. You just gotta time it right, really. On which, as you can tell, I'm not very good at that. Come on. Ugh. I need the key. I'd love to get that key. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ugh. Oh, I suck at this. I suck at this, if you can't tell, guys. It's okay. I'm gonna get that key. Okay. After a little bit, maybe about 2 minutes, I finally picked up that key, and we can move along. We're coming on to the boss portion, which is easy but annoying because you can't aim, so it sort of makes it a little bit hard, but I guess that's the point. After this video, I'll be moving on to 2-player portions, or not 2-player portions, but 3-player portions and 4-player portions. If anybody would like to help, leave a comment in the gutter, and I'll add you, and we'll get to work. And here we are at the boss battle. Gonna grab this, and hopefully I can get this guy first try, or not. If anybody has any tips of how to beat this this boss faster, leave a comment in the gutter, because I've been playing this game for a while. Everybody knows it's a little bit old, and I just cannot figure out a way to beat it faster. I just now noticed the music, and yeah, this is probably my favorite, one of my favorite tracks on the whole game. I'm not really sure of why, I just like the tune of it. I don't understand really what they're saying, but I like it. Come, what's going on? Okay. There we go. Okay. Moving on to the end. There's a bubble under the plane. This is the end of the level. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.